Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pushcut to manage deadlines. So I just tap on my Pushcut app on my iOS device and I will be on my notifications. So I will just use to Pushcut to send notifications for tasks that are due soon, and you can set up a reminder that trigger at specific times or locations, ensuring you never miss a deadline. So I will just set that I will just change it the name. I will just set my bill, Lesco bill, last date, deadline. So I will just tab on and save it. Example, I will just tab on moving my triggers, which is bottom, and from here I will just select the Lesco bill last date deadline, and I will just set the daily, and on Friday I will just choose it. Friday is my last date, and I will just set the time of bank before 5:30, so 5:30 p.m. So I will just set it and trigger it. So on the Friday, it will I will just set it my Lasco bill last day deadline. So it will reminder me that before 5:30 p.m. of the bank time, and I will just pay my bill of my home on to the bank. So this is how you can just use Pushcut for deadline. This video help you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.